I have multiple sclerosis. Found out a little bit after getting out of the military. So basically I'm having some issues with mobility, and it's only going to get worse.
We first heard about this project from Lauren Howe. We received a call that they need veterans to help a fellow disabled veteran in need.
We were contacted by Mike McNulty, who's a territory manager for CertainTeed Siding, and he has been doing some work with Habitat for Humanity Southern New Hampshire, and reached out to see if we could do a donation of siding for a veteran in the community of Raymond, New Hampshire.
This is going to be a opened up concept, the home. It's going to be one level, master bedroom, master bath. Being able to be on one level of my home is much more convenient for me.
We have volunteers here. Several of them are actually members of our Veterans Employee Resource Group.
It's a group that's made up of Saint-Gobain employees that are veterans or want to support veterans and veteran causes.
It is freezing cold out here in New Hampshire, but we're here because this is what we do.
We're a big company, we have a big presence, and it's just, I think it's an important thing to do, to give back and be part of the community.
That's where those partnerships with manufacturers and distributors helps us to stretch our dollars by supplying those materials. Every dollar we don't have to spend can go somewhere else towards development or to the next house and help more families that way.
It's an amazing experience to be able to help a veteran and pay it forward. I'm an Army veteran, and if the Army taught me anything, it's that we're not alone.
Having other veterans come to my home to help. I don't want to get emotional, but it's really nice. I could see it in their faces too, the folks that are out there today that they want to be here. You know, they're happy to help. Having a large organization like Saint-Gobain coming in and helping a regular person like myself, you folks might not think it means anything to do that stuff, but it means a lot to me.